I'm going to show you how you can turn any image into a Ghibli style animation super easily. Now these are going super viral on Instagram and X, and I've even seen people turn their favorite memes into Ghibli images. Now I've found 2 sites that you can do this for free. So let's get into it. Okay, now before we actually get into it, I do also want to let you know that you can also create all of these different styles like Minecraft, Roblox, GTA, Pokemon, and so much more. But I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of this video, so keep watching. So the first tool that everyone's using to get the most realistic Ghibli images is in fact ChatGPT. They recently came out with an update where you can now generate images, and it's incredibly easy to do. So all you have to do is grab a picture of yourself or whoever you want, and then upload it into ChatGPT. Then it's as simple as saying, turn this into Ghibli art, and then click create. It's now going to take about 10 to 15 seconds to generate, and you'll see that it slowly starts to render your photo, which is really cool to see. Now, the only downside of using ChatGPT if you're on a free plan is that you can only generate 3 images every single day. But luckily for you, I do have a website where you have unlimited uses, so check this out. And this is using Imagine Free by Google. So I'll leave the URL in the description down below, but it's basically just deepmind.google/technology/imaginefree. So once you're on this page, you just want to type in your prompt. So for example, you can do a Ghibli style portrait of a man in Tokyo with soft lighting. Then just go ahead and click on create, and it's going to give you 4 different variations to pick from. Now I'd say only 3 of the 4 are actually Ghibli style, but you can go ahead and generate as many images as you want. Now, of course, the downside with using Google's version is you can't upload your own pictures. So you're going to have to go ahead and prompt stuff. So the easiest way I do that is, again, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create a prompt of whatever I want it to do, and it'll give me a really detailed prompt. Then you can input that into image effects, and then you can get the results that you're looking for. Now, if you remember at the start of the video, I said that you can create all of these different styles. Well, it's actually also done inside of ChatGPT. So again, just add your image, or you can continue where you left off. And then, for example, we're going to say turn the image into a GTA style, hit enter, and then you're going to see the results look like this, which is super awesome. Now I'll leave a few prompt ideas in the description down below so you can go ahead and play with it. But I hope this video did help, and if it did, like the video and subscribe for more awesome AI tools.